Let's talk about batteries. Now, there's been a lot of buzz on battery technology lately, and we often hear from our clients, should I get a battery? And the answer is maybe. It really depends on what you want and whether or not a battery is going to add value to you at this time. So there's two primary ways that homeowners benefit from owning a battery. Now, the first one is just backup power. So this is if the grid goes down, if disaster strikes, if there's a hurricane in your area or a fire or all the things that we're all dealing with now on a much more common basis, having a battery will back up your home. So, that's one of the number one reasons why people opt to choose to pair solar with a battery. And we can do that for you, no problem. We've installed hundreds and hundreds of battery installations. Number two, oftentimes you can actually save money by getting a battery if you live, and this isn't for everybody, but if you live in a utility that has what's called time of use rates. In certain utilities, you pay more for energy during specific times. So for example, where I live in San Diego, we pay more for energy from 4 to 9 p.m. So that's what's called the peak time of use, and a battery can actually help offset those peak power rates. So instead of pulling energy from the grid from 4 to 9 p.m., your battery would actually discharge that energy into your home from 4 to 9 p.m. So you would avoid paying the most expensive rates from your utility. So if you're a homeowner that lives in an area that has time of use rates and you're interested in battery backup, making sure that you're protected if power goes down, looking at our battery options might be a really great idea. But are batteries required? At this point, they're not, because of the wonderful policy we have with net metering. Essentially, the grid acts as your giant battery. So every kilowatt hour that you generate from your solar system gets stored in the grid, and then you pull it back off, and net metering makes sure that you always get credited for that. So that's information about batteries. I hope that was helpful for you. You can ask your power consultant more information, and they'll be able to give you a detailed proposal of exactly how much a system will cost with a battery if you're interested in one. And we work with all the biggest battery manufacturers, and we can absolutely make sure that you get taken care of whatever way is best for you.